With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. Through Saturday, our daytime highs continue to be about 10 degrees warmer than normal in the upper 80s to the low 90s. Father's Day and Monday, the most heat with highs in the low to mid 90s. A weak front slowly sagging southeast through Nebraska continues to be the focus for isolated to scattered thunderstorms, mostly in the late day and nighttime, all the way through Sunday. Thunderstorms that develop late today and tonight weaken and likely stay to the west of Highway 183. Storms could be locally severe with quarter-size hail and wind gusts to 60. The higher chance of severe weather late tomorrow along and west of a line from Rushville to North Platte, Arapahoe, Norton, Hayes, and Coldwater, where there is a slight risk of level 2 of 5. Central areas of Nebraska and Kansas are in a marginal risk of level 1 of 5 tomorrow. All of Nebraska and Kansas in a marginal risk on Saturday. Better chances of widespread thunderstorms arrive Monday night through Wednesday with the cold front and stronger area of low pressure. Highs drop to the 80s Tuesday and Wednesday before a ridge of high pressure decreases the rain chances and increases the heat late next week. The long-term forecast continues the very good chances of warmer than normal temperatures Tuesday through June 25th for Nebraska, Kansas, and all of the U.S. but the far northwest. Rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas expected to be slightly above normal the middle of next week before dropping to near normal rainfall late next week through June 25th. The regional drought monitor shows Nebraska is still at less than 1% drought-free. It's abnormally dry in northern Lincoln to McPherson County, Perkins, Chase, and Hayes counties, Geneva to Red Cloud, and along and north of a line from Columbus to Wahoo. A large majority of Nebraska is in moderate drought. Severe drought continues along and south of a line from Fullerton to Kearney and Curtis, as well as northwest Custer County to O'Neill and Neely in the southwest panhandle. In a slight improvement, there are now no areas in Nebraska with extreme drought. Kansas saw a 17 percentage point increase to 59% drought-free. Much of far western Kansas, the south and east are drought-free. It's abnormally dry from the northwest corner of Kansas to central locations near and north of I-70. Moderate to severe drought is confined to most northern counties along the Kansas-Nebraska border. Key weather factors affecting the markets include rain in the western Corn Belt through tomorrow, heavy rains impacting eastern Texas and the Mississippi Delta, and scattered rain returning to the eastern Corn Belt this weekend. Across the western Corn Belt, active weather favors building soil moisture but is delaying field work. The heavier rain in the western Corn Belt becomes less widespread as it moves farther east next week. The Delta expects more rain through the weekend, where it's already too wet to start the wheat harvest. Towards eastern Texas, heavy rain and flooding remain a threat, keeping the wheat harvest off to a slow start. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.